Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss how to construct a Turing machine for a long ways consists of strings which are in the form of W, W power R, where W belongs to A comma B clean closure. Clean closure, what it is a clean closure? Clean closure means string length can be 0, string length can be 1, string length can be 2 or so on n. Okay, so meaning is that even it consists of epsilon, length 1, length 2, anything. Now, if it is a W, let's take that I have taken W as AB. Okay, now what is W power R? Reverse of the string W. What is W? AB is there. Reverse of W is BA. So, the long ways consists of in the strings AB, BA. Are you able to follow it or not? If W is AB, W power R is reverse of the W. Reverse of it is BA. So, the string is AB, BA. Now, if you see that for the same long ways, we have already constructed non-deterministic push-down automata. Am I right? We could not able to construct a deterministic push-down automata. However, we have constructed a non-deterministic push-down automata. If we can construct a non-deterministic push-down automata, what we can say? It is a context-free long ways. So, I want to discuss for any context-free long ways, can we construct a Turing machine or not? Now, we will see. How can we do the process? First, let me discuss the process. Then we will go for the constructing of the Turing machine. So you have A, B, BA. You have blanks here. You have certain number of blanks on the tape. Okay. Now if you find a, okay, your tape is heading to this one and you are reading the alphabet A. Then what you have to do? You have to modify it as a blank and move to the right. Okay. When you are moving to the right, what you have to do? See, if A is there here, then again if A is here, then only you have to match. Am I right? The first alphabet in the string and the last alphabet in the string should match. And similarly, second alphabet in the string and from the right hand side, second alphabet in the string should match. Then only we will say that W and W power R is working. Are you able to understand? So, the A you modified it as a blank and moving to the right. When you are moving to the right, if you find a or a B, you make it as a and B and you keep on moving. The meaning is that if you find a B, you make it as a B, okay, you make it as a B, move to the right, okay. And again if you find a B, make it as a B and move to the right. If you find a, make it as a, move to the right. And now you are here. The tape head is pointing to the blank. If you find a blank, make it as a blank, move to the left. What is the meaning if you find a blank meaning? Then you can say that you have finished the string. Are you able to understand? You have traversed the entire string. Then what you, if you move to the left, what you can say? You have in the last alphabet in the string. Am I right? So, first alphabet you have found it as a, you modified it as a blank and you have traversed up to the last alphabet in the string. Now, as it is a, is it clear? Then you can modify it as a blank and move to the left. While moving to the left, if you find a, make it as a, still move to the left. If you find a B, make it as a B, move to the left. So, there is a B, I will make it as a B and move to the left. Keep on moving to the left. Still I found a blank. If I find a blank, then I will make it as a blank and move to the right. Okay. I will move to the right. If I find a B, I will make it as a blank. Okay. I will make it as a blank and move to the right. Okay. I will move to the right. If I find any number of B's or A's, I will make it as A's and B's respectively. Keep on moving to the right. Till what? Till I find a blank. If I find a blank, again make it as a blank, move to the left. Okay, now if you find a B, because this B you have modified it as a blank and move to the right. Again, if you find a B, there is a matching is there. Again, you make it as a blank. Okay, move to the left. While moving to the left, if you find any number of A's or any number of B's, keep on moving to the left. In this case, there are no A's and no B's. You have in the blank. Is it clear? If it is a blank, make it as a blank, move to the right. And if you find a blank, then meaning is that the entire string you have finished. Are you able to understand? A's and B's you have matched, then you have to accept it. So I hope you have understood the working process. Is it clear? So now we will construct the Turing machine for it. Initially, I am in the state, let me take a W as ABA, okay, then W power R will also be ABA. Are you able to follow it or not? W I have taken ABA, W power R is also ABA. Now I am in the initial state Q0, okay, I am in the initial state Q0. If I see a, okay, there is a blanks here, there is a blanks here. If I see a, what should I do? I have to make it as a blank, move to the right. So this A, I modified it as a blank, move to the right. And I reach to the state called Q1. Now in the state Q1, I can find any number of A's. If I found a, I make it as a, move to the right. Or if I find a B, make it as a B, move to the right. Why? I am searching the blank at the end, because if first A I made it as a blank, so now I need to search whether the last alphabet in the string is A or not. If it is a, then I will modify it as a blank. Otherwise, it will go to the dead configuration. So in between any number of A's or comes, I will make it as A, still move to the right. If I find a B, make it as a B, move to the right. Okay. Till what? Till I find a blank. Because all the A's, all B's, I am making it as A's and B's only and moving to the right. Now finally I will reach here. If a blank is there, I will make it as a blank, move to the left. Okay. And reach to the state called Q2. Now the tape head is pointing to the A. Now if you find a, what you have to do? You have to make it as a blank, move to the left. So this A, you modified it as a blank, moving to the left. While moving to the left, and you reach to the state Q3, while moving to the left, you can find any number of A's. You will make it as A's and move to the left. If you find a B, make it as a B, move to the left. So this B, you will make it as a B, move to the left. This A, you will make it as A, move to the left. This A also, you will make it as A and move to the left. This B also, you will make it as a B and move to the left. Meaning is that you are not modifying any content in the tape. So at last, if you find a blank, you will be here. Keep on moving to the left, you will be here. So what you have to do? If you find a blank, make it as a blank, move to the right. You are here. Is it clear? So you reach to the state Q0, which is an initial state. Now if you see what you are able to see, from Q0, you are able to read an alphabet B. If it is a B, what you will do? You will make it as a blank. Let me write here. If it is a B, you will make it as a blank, move to the right. So this B, you modified it as a blank and move to the right. So what you have done? Second alphabet in the string, you have found that it is a B and you made it as a blank. Then what you have to do? From the right hand side, second symbol, you should find a B, then only there is a matching. Are you able to understand? If you find such B, then you will modify it as a blank. Okay. So I am reaching to a state called Q4. Now in the state Q4, I can find any number of A's. Okay, I will make it as A's, move to the right. If I find a B, I will make it as a B, move to the right. Are you able to follow it or not? Okay. Now while moving, I can find a blank. Okay. If I find a blank, I will make it as a blank, move to the left. Okay. And I reach to the state called Q5. Now you are here, blank, you modified it as a blank and move to the left. So you reach to the second alphabet from the right hand side. So you have found that it is a B. If it is a B, what should do? You should make it as a blank and move to the left. This B, you modified it as a blank. So the meaning is that this B and this B you have matched. So while moving left, you can find the A's. If you find a, you will make it as A, move to the left. If you find a B, in our example, you will not find the B's while moving left, but we will, generally we will find a B's. Okay. So on Q6, on A, it is making it as A and move to the left. On B, it is making it as a B, moving to the left. Okay. Till what? Till it finds a blank. Okay. Till it finds a blank. If it finds a blank, then what it will do? It will make it as a blank, move to the right. Are you able to understand? So this blank, it is making it as a blank, moving to the right. Are you able to follow? Now again you are in the state Q0, which is the initial state. So from initial state, again if you see a, you are making it as a blank, moving to the right. And a you will make it as A, move to the right. And you are in the state Q1 only. And the tape is pointing to the blank. If it is a blank, make it as a blank and move to the left. So you reach to the state Q2 and the tape head is pointing to the alphabet A. Now if it is a, you will make it as a blank and move to the left. So this A also I made it as a blank and move to the left. Okay, and I reach to the state Q3. From Q3, if you find a blank, because after moving to the left, you will find a blank and you made it as a blank and move to the right. Okay, so you are in which location? You will be in this location. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? This A, previously here A is there, you made it as a blank and move to the left. Okay, and you will be here. So whatever location that we can say that the string is finished. Okay, and you reach to the state called Q0. From Q0 on A and B we have written the transition. If it is a blank, then what I can say, the string is finished. Okay, meaning is that A is finished and means W is finished and W power R is also finished. If you find a blank, okay, make it as a blank, either move to the left or right, it is not a problem. And you reach to the state Q7, which is a final state, and make it as an acceptor. Okay, so this is the Turing machine for W power R, where W belongs to A comma B clean closure. So I hope you have understood how I constructed the Turing machine. If you still have any doubts related to this video, feel free to ask the questions in the comment section.